Starting around 07 April 2024, Axie vastness really is exchanging at $9.82 in terms of its host rate, with a value change of 13% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in every practical sense significant way. Axie especially has a complete market cap of $1,404,607,417 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,698,863, which basically is genuinely huge. This truly makes Axie vastness Axie for the most part positioning at 80 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie limitlessness fundamentally be really worth in 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? Is Axie endlessness a by and large wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024 in a sort of huge manner? Will Axie's cost for the most part outperform its untouched high in an essentially enormous manner? These essentially are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie boundlessness Axie value expectation 2024 as per the Axie vastness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axie's value is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of 13.4. The normal essentially least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to for the most part be 12.65, which truly is very huge. Besides, Axie can truly arrive at a really most extreme value level of $14.47 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness in a real sense is estimated to generally be at around a base worth of $9.32, which for the most part is very huge. The Axie boundlessness value worth can by and large arrive at an essentially limit of 10.48 with a very normal exchanging worth of 10.19 in USD, or so they explicitly thought. Axie endlessness value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie boundlessness really is in every practical sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a by and large least worth of 10.21 in May 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. The Axie cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 10.99 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of 10.60 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie limitlessness value expectation June 2024. Axie boundlessness cost generally is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $10.43 to $11.42 in June 2024, while the by and large normal cost of Axie for the June especially remains around $10.92. Axie vastness value forecast July 2024. Axie endlessness cost really is supposed to especially reach between $10.76 to $11.96 in July 2024, while the typical cost of Axie for the July truly remains around $11.25. Axie value conjecture August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Axie limitlessness most certainly is supposed to essentially arrive at a very least value worth of $11.31, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Axie cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $12.41 with a really normal cost around $11.70 in an exceptionally significant manner. Axie vastness value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for Axie boundlessness could for the most part stretch around $13, or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in September 2024 by and large is $11.54 with a really normal cost of $11.93. Certainly further appearance how Axie value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Axie vastness especially is determined to sort of be at around a very least worth of $9.32. Which generally is very critical. Axie vastness value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Axie endlessness really is supposed to be at around an especially least of $11.80, or so they explicitly thought. Axie endlessness cost can arrive at an essentially limit of $13.48 with the extremely normal cost of $12.29 in USD, showing how Axie vastness value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie boundlessness sort of is in every practical sense anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of 10.21 in May 2024, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie value figure November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Axie vastness sort of is supposed to by and large arrive at a really least value worth of $12.15 in an unobtrusive manner. the Axie's cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of $13.97 with a genuinely normal cost around $12.53, which truly is very huge. Axie limitlessness value expectation December 2024. The cost of Axie endlessness especially is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense reach at any rate worth of $12.65 in December 2024, which especially is genuinely huge. The Axie's cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $14.47 with a typical exchanging worth of $13.4 all through 2024. Also, they all things considered, thought. Axie boundlessness genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity's cost certainly has shown a kind of good increment of 2.8% as of now, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie endlessness explicitly is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins, which sort of shows that moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in September 2024 sort of is $11.54 with an exceptionally normal cost of $11.93, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past lovely few days. The coin could especially have sought major areas of strength for of in any case. We don't actually imagine that it would a productive resource in especially present moment, exhibiting that Axie endlessness truly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which all things considered, shows that moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in September 2024 explicitly is $11.54 with an all things considered normal cost of $11.93. Extremely further appearance how Axie value estimate April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of Axie limitlessness especially is gauged to fundamentally be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $9.32, which essentially is very huge. Axie endlessness value estimate 2024 facts, what will especially be Axie limitlessness for the most part worth in 2024 in an exceptionally enormous manner. The Axie cost especially is gauged to for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $14.47 with sort of least cost of $12.65 toward the finish of 2024. Does Axie boundlessness really have a future, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Axie boundlessness truly has an extraordinary essentially potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting how the coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for kind of past lovely few days. The coin could basically have sought areas of strength for of yet. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, exhibiting that Axie endlessness in every practical sense is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which most certainly shows that moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in September